CNA Healthy Resident Sneezing Etiquette Guide Prep Quiz. Question 1. Why should the patient not know you are counting their respirations? The answer is because people may change their breathing pattern if they know it's being watched. Question 2. What is cyanosis? The answer is a bluish discoloration of the skin due to poor circulation or inadequate oxygenation. Remember, we can take your CNA exam for you, remotely and undetected, and with 85% score guaranteed, no fails, no upfront fees, no deposit. Pay only after results. Message us via link in bio to schedule your session. Question 3. What is CHF? The answer is congestive heart failure, a condition where the heart doesn't pump blood well. How many did you score out of 3? Visit our website at pokerexams.com to get full, in-depth test banks to help you prepare and pass your exam. If you enjoyed this video, like and comment on the topic I should post next, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.